Namaste Ji and welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered why black strip appears in our photo while we flash photography? And at certain point of time the black strip completely covers the frame. This is because you are using your manual flash in an incorrect way.
Since manual flash does not have the feature to sync with the camera's shutter, that's why while we increase the shutter speed of our camera above 1 by 250 or in some cameras 1 by 200, the black strip that appears in our photos are the shadow of the lens's shutter.
Let me explain you with a live demonstration so that you can clarify all of your doubts.
The flash today I'm going to use for this live demonstration is Digitex DFL046. Okay, so I'm going to use the maximum shutter speed that Nikon D750 allows is 1 by 200 for manual flash photography. So let's begin. So now you can see that there is no black bar in this photo, but if we gradually increase the shutter speed, the black bar will continuously increase. Let's increase it to 1 by 400 and let's see there is a black bar. Now if we increase it to 1 by 800, again the black bar will increase. See,
Since we have completed the live demonstration, let us jump into the solution part. See, we have three solutions of this problem. Solution number one is to click photos using manual flash, not exceeding the shutter speed of 1 by 250, because most of the cameras support 1 by 250 of shutter speed for manual flash photography. But in some entry-level cameras, you may find it of 1 by 200 of shutter speed. That is the maximum shutter speed you can use for manual flash photography. Solution number two is to upgrade our manual flashes to TTL plus HSF flash, that is through the lens plus high sync speed flashes. Solution number three is to upgrade our cameras. So before buying any automatic flashes or before upgrading your camera, please check it on Google that whether that camera supports TTL plus HSF flash, that is through the lens plus high sync speed flashes or not. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more such videos, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye for today.